So we do some stuff outside here. Do something called bird therapy. My mom has look at you, tamed the local wildlife at her house. So I go over here, you know, on my days off, hang out, just enjoy some. I got a bird on the camera. Enjoy just sitting here, and then what we'll do is we get like birds and chipmunks that'll come up into your lap, which is pretty cool. I'll put some chip seeds out here. Hey, little guy, what are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. There. Oh, look at you. And if you just sit out here for more than like 10-15 minutes, they start like swarming all over you and hanging out, and they're like, ooh, look at all the food. It's kind of cool, actually. Like, if I'm having a bad day, just come out here in the weather. Usually it's sunny. Even if it's raining out, it's if it's not pouring down, and come hang out and enjoy just kind of the animals and stuff. It's really nice. Earlier I had chipmunks that were crawling up my lap, so it was kind of cool. Oh, oh, okay. They kind of get the thing. They're like, no, I like these kind of nuts, and it's just crazy. Oh man. You can hear them up in the trees making all sorts of little noises right now. I think we got some nuthatches coming in. They're like these little ones you've seen so far, the chickadees, which are the tiny little birds, but the nuthatches are like these long. Hey, little guy. They got these little white stripe, these little orange on their chest, and they're elongated. Hey, there's the chickadee. You got the browns and the blacks. Looks like we got some birds incoming. There we go. Come over here. Oh, hey, buddy. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Hey. Little guy. Yeah, there you go. They're not, squirrels are kind of still skittish, is super skittish, but you can get them up on your lap now, which is kind of cool. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, little guy. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, you don't like that one? Alright. Oh, we got a chipmunk coming in, too. Hey. Look at you. Oh, you're so cute. Wish you could see this. There's this tiny chipmunk with stripes all over it. He came right up, and he was almost up here in my lap. Hey. There. Oh, don't run away. You are so cute. I want people to see you. You're just like, I don't know, if you've seen the little one that was just in my lap, the chipmunk's like even tinier with this little teeny tiny tail, so long on it, and he's got stripes all the way down his back. Oh, hey, hey, there you go. I got one left. I have to get some more. I don't have any more on me, dude. I know you're you're hoping. Oh, you saw one down there on the ground that you had to have? Okay. Okay, there you go. What? I don't have enough for you? If you don't have the right one, they get finicky now. Yeah. Hold on. Hey. Alright, okay, you got the peanuts. There you go. There you go. Is that better? Oh, there's the chipmunk. You just see him. He's right up. Hey, little guy. Hey. Oh man, you can see that little chipmunk is just. If we get to see chipmunk get up on me, that'd be cool. Well, there's the squirrel. I wonder who's gonna get first. Oh, there you go. Not my finger. Here, I gotta feed it to you directly. Okay. What, you didn't like that one? All right. They're like, I don't want that piece. Give me this other piece. Freaking crazy, man. Alright, let's see. Wait. Give it about 2 minutes and the little sucker will come right back through here. Just watch. There you go. Here, listen, nuthatch. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? You want another nut? Okay. There you go. It never gets old. This cute little furry thing about this. No, get sugar. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Yeah, so we refer to this as bird therapy. It's just nice, you know. You feed little animals that are like. They come around, they raid your bird feeder already, right? So it's not like they're not going to get into your nuts and your seeds and stuff. So it's better to do it this way, because then you guys can appreciate it with me. And if you're having a really crappy day, it's nice to just... Oh, there you are again. You gonna come back again? Here, buddy. Oh, not my finger. There you go. He's so cute. These aren't the huge gray squirrels, although I think, hey buddy, what are you doing? Wind's blowing quite a bit out here. Whoa. Well, at least my camera's not knocked over. That's good. Oh, here we go. Nuthatch. Yeah. There you go. Okay, here. That's it. Come on up, buddy. There you go. I'll get you a nut next. Oh, you want a nut? Okay. I'll get you a peanut. Good stuff. Here's the good stuff. Here. No. You just want to steal the other stuff, don't you? Come here. Come here. Come here. I know you like the easy way, don't you? That peanuts. I should have prepped more. Like, I didn't expect this many, like, this fast. I guess I'll get more. Leave the nuts here and see if we can get the. You get the adult squirrels. They want the actual nut inside the peanut container, but you get the young ones, which I think are last year's litter. They'll go straight for the little nuts. Oh, there you go. There you are. There you are. There you are. Okay. You are just... any way you can get your hands on it quicker. What are you doing? Oh, there you go. You didn't have to do it the hard way, did you? You are crazy. Oh, knocking stuff over. Guys. Oh. Crazy little guy. We got that. There we go. Now they can't really steal it out of the. I think you just once like those little ones are so hungry, and I don't think they know how to forage yet. So they'll come right up to the bird feeder over here, and the parents really were like, "Figure it out for yourself." So we got a mama squirrel. We saw her last year. She came up, and you could tell, you know, she was pregnant and had the little squirrels nursing. They weren't on her, but you could tell that she'd been nursing. And after a while, she started crawling up my mom's leg and just sitting on her lap, like right here. And at some point, she would come up here, and you could just feed her little pieces of peanuts, and she would eat just sitting there right on your leg. It was really cool to watch. I think we got a little break, so I'm going to be right back. Oh, wait, hey. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. There you go. Guess not. That wasn't much of a break, was it? I got a nut hatch coming in. There you go. Oh, oh. And the squirrel decided he didn't want to. You're back already? Oh, no, there's nothing in there, dude. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you didn't want that one? Okay. Here's that one. Maybe that one, maybe? There you go. So cute. They're so cute. Like, forget going to a petting zoo if you can feed them out of your backyard. Oh, look at you. Look at you. We got this orange bird with bright orange eyes that's starting to get comfortable coming up. And so pretty soon that one, oh, there's the nuthatch. It's okay. There you go, buddy. Oh, oh. It's okay. I'm not dangerous. There you go. The squirrel, I think, has been sneaking up. He's going to be sneaking up in just a moment. I saw him underneath my ears. Oh, he's looking for nuts. Buddy, what are you breaking into my nuts for? Here. Here's a nut. That's okay. You're fine. Just gonna sit there. There you go. It's a whole nother thing right there. He's right on you. I guess yesterday one of them got so aggressive that it was like, feed me, and it kept bugging my mom. It was crawling up on her, and she kept on having like, hey, no, I don't have any nuts. And he didn't want to take no for an answer. She probably had to chase him off. Is almost comfortable enough to come over here. It just doesn't know what to do. The bigger the bird, the more skittish they are. We've noticed. Like they have to be really patient with him. There he is. He's coming up, but he doesn't want to quite get next to the house yet. Hey, buddy. You female or male? It's okay. Here. Sees it now. I'm trying to get him comfortable enough to come close. Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. As they get used to the food, then it's like, oh, the temptation to just deal with humans is not so scary. So we're just trying to get him. I wish I could show you on a second camera, but I don't have one. Yeah, and you're kind of interested, huh? There's the squirrel again. He's back already. There you go, buddy. Okay, is that but not my fingers? There you go. I think their sight is different, so they see certain things, but they don't see everything. Right? Kind of like a dog sees in black and white. Oh, hey, there you go. It's all right, buddy. It's okay. There you go. There you go. There's no threat. only got a couple of these left. I'm going to start either breaking open the peanuts that I've got or bunching my own down here. Oh, there's the chipmunk again. Yeah, the squirrel's chasing him off. Hey, buddy. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. You can come down if you want. Oh, there you go. There you go, buddy. There you go. See? Better not, huh? Oh, yep, that's okay. It's nothing that's gonna hurt you. Yeah. I think it's a cowbird, or she mentioned, I don't know what it's called. It's got orange eyes and it's got an orange coat, but it's got black on it. So it's almost like a crow, but cooler looking. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Oh, he got it. Sweet. So I was like, ooh, that's really good. I'm kind of excited to see if we get that one. Here you go. Oh, it's okay. I know I'm not, don't recognize me. I'm not going to hurt you. Nope. Yeah? Here you go. You want the peanut? There you go. Now he's going to break that open somewhere else where he can see it by himself. Let's start breaking this open. Oh, no, I don't have peanuts. We're out of the normal ones. The pre-shelled ones. So I gotta start breaking these open so you guys can blow off the deck on top here. Hey, want another one? It's okay. Here. Really good, wasn't it? Oh, look at you. Oh, you want more? You're not sure? Okay. Hey. Oh, there you go. Wow, you were just the talkative little guy, aren't you? Didn't that hatch? Oh, there you go. There's the chipmunk. Oh, he's coming up. Get him to go for the nut. There you go. Chipmunk, man, you guys will be in for a treat. These things are so cute. He's like this cute little furry thing. Oh, they look so soft. I want to pet him so much. I can't. I want to pet him. Oh, he's not quite ready yet. I think over the next couple of weeks we'll be able to see him. Maybe I'll get a footage for you guys to check out. Hey. He's looking though. He's really interested. I think my mom has gotten him to eat out of her hand once, but he's not used to me yet, so it's going to take him some time to realize I'm not a threat. But he'll come right up, which is... Oh! Ah, crap. Putting seed chunks of that everywhere now. There's the other. Switch the camera over so you guys can see it. But I'm not sure my stand's ready to do that yet. I've got to make some changes before I do that to it. Hey, hey, up to no hatch. It's okay. These guys are super friendly compared to the other ones. Once they get used to you, and they'll just hang out in your hand. Here. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you're looking through for the seeds. Dude, come on. Come here, it's over here. There you go. Yeah, the chickadees will hang off the side of the window and wait for you to open the door, and then they'll come land in your hand, or they'll buzz you in the yard now because they're so used to the seeds. It's crazy. Gotta do a little test flight first, make sure he's got an escape or anything. It's too big for you? I'm gonna break him up. There you go. Oh, you don't want those pieces? You want the big one? There we go. That actually, I don't think you should have. It's probably too big for you. They're hard. Ooh, hard as a rock. That tastes good. Oh. You want to try again? There you go. Oh. I get so scared sometimes. It's okay. There we go. He just wanted a smaller piece. The squirrel's coming back. Oop. Yeah, oh, now he's used to me. Oh, you want the peanuts too, huh? Bite my finger. Here. You were just little nipper. What do you do? He's still looking for it. Look, he's like nudging my leg and oh, there you go. There you go. And he was like digging underneath my leg to see if he could get down here, like I had some nuts in there in my butt or something. It's crazy. Alright, let me go ahead and break this up. Let's see if we can get some more nuts loose so I have more for that little guy to come back for. He was not taking no for an answer. Hey. Oh, I don't have these ready yet. You're gonna have to give me a minute. You're gonna have to give me a minute, buddy. See, now he's happy. You got him go. Large size one here. You can try for one of those. If they're too big, I'll break. Oh, I guess it wasn't too big for him. It's pretty long either. They're right on you. Hey, here you go. Oh, no, you don't want it? Okay. I'm sure somebody else is coming to get it if you don't want it. There you go. See, he's okay with it. Hey, yeah. Oh, the squirrel's back. Oh, you dropped it. There's another one, not my finger. No, my finger probably. What are you doing dropping nuts? Here. No, you're having a problem. There you go. Oh, it's okay. There you go. There you go. Not my finger. No nibbling on my finger. Poor little guy. He keeps dropping it. I have a video on my YouTube. One of the little guys who just climbed right up in my hand. I was feeding him outside the front door, and I went to feed him, and he mistook my finger for, and he bit down. He didn't really break skin, but it hurt, scared me, and it hurt just a little bit. So here, hold on. Here. Here. There we go. Got some nuts here for you. Ooh. Not my fingertip. There you go. There you go. Yeah. You like the salted ones more, don't you? That's what it is. I've gotta. Oh, if he wants the nut, you want the shell? Here. There's the nut in there. Just a little ravenous little dude. There's a piece there, and there's a piece there. Is that better? And their eyesight, I don't think is as good as it could be. There you go. Oh. Try this again. I think this one's got a bit of an eyesight problem. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. I'm starting to smell like nuts, though, because I keep breaking them open. So he's really getting into it. Yeah, what are you doing? Yeah. Oh, look, you were so cute. Okay, I'll try giving him one of these. Maybe he'll take it with him this time. If he doesn't, because he was up. He couldn't figure out how to make up his mind. That was so cute. I like it. Hey, there you go. There's 3 pieces there. Oh, you want the full nut? There you go. There you go. See, he wanted the full nut. You have to admit, though, they are so darn cute. Little guy goes, bloop. I think there's the lull. I'll be right back, guys, okay?